Hey Fiverr, welcome to the best landing page gig service today. Let's get started. So when you on my Fiverr gig, you can able to read my gig description. You also get a link. So let's open it on the new tab. It's clonexhubrepo.com. Now when you land it for the first time on my official website, which is Clonex, you can able to see a lots of options, including affiliates, and I will talk about this one in the end. So stay tuned at the end because you get a lot of things to know. So you can able to see all my portfolios. These are the featured one. Let me show you one to just give you an idea of what I'm talking about. All right, so this is the the custom order that I made with my clients. Is very nice. I'm working with him still, and I'm making him satisfied with every corner. And I also integrated live chat supports. By the way, you're also getting live chat support on my official website, so you can able to also connect with me live by just entering your name and email address. You can be able to connect with me live here and start chatting with me. You also have an option to connect with me on different social platforms, including Telegram and also Twitter. All right. But let me show you. These are like featured one, and when you go down, you'll see all portfolio option. So when you go click on all portfolio option, and it's starting with the $5 only, you see a lots of landing page that I did with my live. And it's up to I guess it's 52 or 51. So you can browse or start seeing, browsing and looking whatever you like. Or let's see what maybe the page that you're requesting is already here, because these are real landing pages that I did with my clients, and they're really satisfied. And I only got 5-star rating from mostly from the USA and all around the corner. So these are going to look like. Let me show you the one as an example. So this is KT Fit Pro, and I don't want to make this video longer. And excuse me for the images. So you're not going to see any images on my Fiverr, on dummy landing pages, because these are like a dummy one. If you would like the design, if you want to implement on your website, just let me know. And this is how it is going to look like on the mobile version. So it's optimized on mobile, tablet, and also for the PC. Just close this one and let me take you to my pricing. So when you click on play, it will directly take you the pricing plan. And let me show you and compare the pricing plan from Clonex and also the Clonex Fiverr. So on the basic plan, it is going to cost you $5. It is also going to cost you $5. But as you can see here, is written 7. So when you choose to pay with Fiverr, when you choose to order with Fiverr, you have to at least expend $7. But with the hero plan over here, you only have to spend $5 and you save $2. But I would like to highly advise you to firstly order me $5 plan, especially from Fiverr, because it is also creating a trust just for the $5. So do not choose to order me $5 from my official website. I would highly recommend for making a trust, and Fiverr also give you extra layer of security. So I will highly advise you to, for the $5 plan, just go ahead and start placing order from the Fiverr. Now talking about the lead plan. For lead plan, it is a $20, and with here you get a 20% discount, $16 only for the lead plan. Okay, get additional bonus and lots of options available for the lead plan, because it is creating a lead with your email marketing software. And there is a dedicated video for the pricing plan. So let me know. I will make a dedicated video, because why I'm charging this much money and what I'm giving you for this pricing. I would want to make a dedicated video on that. Now the third one is a funnel plan. Okay, so funnel plan is a twist here, comes with a twist. It's a $36 plan, and here you find with $45, so you save additional $20. And I would highly advise you, if you're choosing a funnel plan, also first order me $5 plan on Fiverr, because also creating trust. And I will save you extra $7, because you would have to spend $7 when you place an order on Fiverr. So when you apply this code called Fiverr7, you get additional $7 discount. So this will be only going to cost you $29, something like this, $29 for the funnel plan. And okay, talking about the discounts, or talking about the 20% discounts, you can make additional 20% discount um, when you start when you think about doing business with CloneX. Yes, so now you can be able to part of my family or part of my affiliate program. So you see here affiliate program. So with what you're getting here, okay, so it's like a service website. Whenever, I mean, if you choose to pay me whatever, I will give you, I mean, somebody, if let's say a client order me something for $16, something like that, so $20, 20% commissions I will give you as an affiliate. So if you are registering yourself and start promoting everywhere. And I'm also coming up with the special deal for the influencer. All right, so affiliate program is a nice and is integrated well with the CloneX. Now you can be able to register yourself as an affiliate, and you can also take an advantage of the affiliate program. I mean, why affiliate? Let me tell you frankly. I mean, some people come to my gig and ask me, what should I promote? They even don't know. They are nerd. I mean, they are beginner. They don't know what to promote. So in that case, this thing is going to be boon for you, because if you don't know what to promote, and if you're looking at landing page, it means you're on the right track. I mean, you can able to start promoting this one because you're doing affiliate, and you can just register yourself as an affiliate, and I will give you the money. Okay, I will give you the percentage. Now you might be asking that how could I trust you? Talking about the trust, let me show you the plan. Let me just choose a $16 plan to show you what I'm talking about. So now for some reason it's price a little bit high. I will adjust it, but don't worry, it is only going to cost you $16. So let me click on the add to cart, and now add to cart is now there. Let me remove the plans. Okay, it is funnel plan, by the way. So let me just go to checkout and show you what I'm talking about here. So when you entering your details, you have to only enter your name, your country, your email, and your hop link or affiliate link. Okay, so whatever you're promoting, you can just paste your hop link, affiliate link, and you can also enter your additional detail or instruction if you have any. And you have only one option, which is PayPal. Okay, no any other option. Is global payment option PayPal. PayPal is a very trustable, and you know PayPal already. Okay, so when you pay through using PayPal, PayPal is added an extra security layer for your payment. So if you pay for some reason, this is not going to be happen. Don't worry about. You can trust me because I'm a very good landing page seller on Fiverr. That's on also saying that please order me $5 first with Fiverr. But for some reason, if you order me for from my official website, and for some reason you don't like it, or just you want a refund, okay, you can take it your refund through Fiverr, just raising your complaints and all kinds of stuff. That will create a minus, I mean, a negative balance on my PayPal account, and I have to fulfill it. I have to maintain it for my next order. So that's it. You get your refund. So don't worry about this. Okay, so you can trust. This is all about trust, guys. Payment, if you are accepting payment from website, is all about trust. I mean, don't think that I want to accept payment from my website and I want to connect with you off of the Fiverr. Don't think like this. I mean, these are like a feature. These are the options. These are the features which you can do. I mean, I'm giving you affiliate. You are here for the affiliate. Okay, you don't know what to create. You can register yourself as an affiliate, and you can also choose a plan. You also get an additional discount. All right, it is up to you. What do you choose? You can choose Fiverr. You can choose CloneX as an starter point. You can also chat with me live, connect me Twitter. I mean, it's all about trust. Don't worry about this, okay? It's very new service, very new website, but I'm giving you trust. I'm also integrating my service, my website with the Trustpilot really soon. So that will also create additional trust. But as of now, you can get started. If you have something different, if you requested something different, you can put your name, email address, and affiliate link, and message and send me a request. This is not going to cost you any money, but I will get your request. Just to raise your request, you get 3 extra bonuses and perks. So just keep this in mind. Just to raise a request, you're not paying anything, but you just get 3 extra things. So that is a bonus for you. Welcome. You're most welcome. And that is it. I'm also integrated 3 or 4 games which you can in your free time you can enjoy. And if you click in this calling option, that will take you to my Telegram. You can also be able to connect with me on call, chat, and whatever. So Telegram is there, and you can read whatever the things, and that's it, guys. I hope you are liking what I'm doing here, and this video is a demonstration and also a portfolio showcase type of video, which you get a full idea what I'm talking about. Okay, and if you have any questions about my pricing, what I'm getting, what I'm getting, I mean, when you click on play, what I'm getting on $5, what I'm getting in, I mean, you know the $5 already plan, but what I'm getting on the lead plan. I mean, lead generation, something like, it's for email marketing. If you are looking to do email marketing, and also on the same time you also want to do some affiliate. So let's say you are, whatever you're doing with the affiliate, you are now want to do with lead plan, but some reason your customer is not interested to buy your product, but they have to enter the email address, and that is comes a lead generation plan. So you can be able to collect their email address and start sending the offer later on by setting up email software like ActiveCampaign and MailerLite and so much other options available there. But when you choose to go with the funnel plan, what is funnel plan? With this plan only, you get an option for WordPress and also System.io. So, I mean, these two plan are compatible with System.io, but especially for this plan, funnel plan, you get a two option. Either you can choose to go with WordPress, or either you can choose to go with System.io, depending on you. Okay, so this is $5, but if you would looking for integrating your custom domain, right, so you have to pay extra $5, and with this $5 you also get X watermark, which is a gift type of watermark, which is not a bothering thing one, and vice versa. So I've just made all the plans for keeping a lot of things in my mind, and if you have any questions, I mean, everything is possible here. Whatever type of design you're looking, I've been working on Elementor Pro, I've been working on HTML, I've been working on lots of stuff. So whatever things you are looking for, just talk with me, chat with me, no problem. You can either chat with me on Fiverr here, and that's it for the video here. I feel I'm missing a lot of things, but I don't want to make this video as long. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, again, if you have any question, just come up, just chat. All right, just chat with me, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, so pricing plan dedicated video will be coming up soon. Thank you.